Hey family, welcome to Vlogmas 2022. Let's get it, let's go.
Let's see.
We have another birthday gift, guys. Can't wait to open that. My children are here. They don't think I see them. Hi, children.
Hi.
Oh, Joshua.
Hi.
Hi.
Here?
Here what? Hi. You got flowers? Thank you. They're so beautiful. Thank you.
Where's my mommy?
Oh, thank you. And they're Christmas flowers. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Lord. This is what Joshua picked up to try. He probably just got it because that dog was on the ash. It says strawberry yogurt muffins. Oh, we'll see, because he's not.
I asked him, I said, what flavor are you getting?
Yeah.
And he said, strawberry.
Oh,
Well, I guess you know what something looks like.
right. How it tastes. Let me see your reaction when you taste it. Let me see you taste it for the first time. It's good? What does it taste like? Strawberries. Okay, look, he done took his thing like, these are mine. These two overgrown kids
my God.
running through the house.
My God. Get this boy away. Get out the way, little Joshua. Get out the way, Joshua.
You let Ashley beat you up?
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. Let go of my shirt. Let go of my
Get
shirt.
it, Joshua. Get it, Joshua. Get it, Joshua. Get it, Joshua.
I'll beat you up.
Gosh, you.
I'll beat you up. I'll slam you.
He said, got you.
Ah, boom. Yeah. Now I'm going to eat your nose. Your nose.
You're smashing them donuts, boy. Them oh, he ate them all? You're a little greedy son. Wow. How you make a whole bag of... He ain't even give you one. You greedy, Joshua. Gotta feed the plants. Ooh, you about to sprinkle it all out. Golly.
You sorry.
All right, let's mix it up. Hold on.
You are gonna make pizza?
Yeah, we're still gonna make pizza, but we have to take care of the flowers. Okay. Now, I need you to... Okay, we're gonna put that in the garbage. That's the... Oh, you left some in there.
Sorry.
Okay. All right. And now we need to put the flowers that you guys got in there.
And put in here?
Yep. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Little pretty Christmas flowers. You did it. Good job, Joshua. You guys rock. So, guys, we are about to do this thing we saw on TikTok. Was it TikTok or we saw it on Instagram? But we were ready to make our own pizza. So we got the stuff. Here's the pepperonis. The Bertolis. We have cheese. Yeah, he said we have cheese. This is the chopped Italian herbs, the mozzarella cheese, and this is the other red onions. So, and here is the French bread. and then you slice it down the middle, and you make like, I think we're gonna have a total of 4 long piece of strips. So hope it comes out. All right, y'all, let's get it. Let's go. We are putting these in the freezer. We've been drinking these lately. I have some orange soda, but y'all know I love cherry Pepsi. And you put that back, Joshua. So I'm gonna put them down in the freezer. Hopefully they will get cold enough before, let me see, before our food, God, Joshua, before our food gets done. All right, let's put that one over there. All right.
We are making pizzas. We have pepperoni, pizza cheeses, marinara sauce, Italian herbs. Oh shoot, I'm spilling stuff. Chopped onions for a, what is that? A topping. Garlic herb butter. Well, we're making garlic bread pizza. That's what we're making. Garlic bread pizza. Joshua over here just doing what he does best. What are you eating, Joshua?
Snacks.
Snacks. Oh, Mr. Snackhead. All right, so in our rack we have pizza seasoning and we have Italian seasoning, so we'll be using those.
And we cooking pizza.
We cooking what?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. Pizza.
So we are using garlic, Land O'Lakes garlic herb and butter spread. I can't even. Alright, so she buttered this up with the garlic and herb butter, and now we're gonna bake it for 5 minutes so that we can get a little crust on it before we add all of our sauces.
Five minutes later.
Nice and toasty. Now we're gonna add our marinara sauce. We're gonna add our marinara. So we have Kraft cheese, mozzarella, and Parmesan. Gonna sprinkle that on here. I did wash my hands, if someone was wondering.
Ready.
Right, our green peppers are about to go on. This is for me and mommy because Joshua don't like all this extra stuff.
I like that extra.
Yeah, you don't like that extra stuff. You don't like onions, right? Yeah, no onions for Joshua.
You don't like it.
Yeah, me and mommy like. And cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want cheese or you want cheese only or pepperoni and cheese?
Cheese.
Just cheese?
Yes.
Okay.
But you this has cheese already.
We'll make sure yeah.
I want cheese.
Alright.
I want cheese
Another
here.
layer
Cheese, guys.
of cheese.
I want cheese.
This is gonna be so
to
good.
cover it.
He actually wants to eat cheese right now.
Wait, Joshua. Can't just give you cheese, buddy. Alright, we have the boar's head pepperonis. Uh-oh. You see it? Oh! Well, funky.
Like, we don't want meat no more.
Look, little doodoo pepperoni. Okay. And then here is our pepperoni because we like meat.
Doodle pepperoni.
He said doodoo pepperoni. What a brat. I should say he's
Just
not with
that's
it.
why he don't want that.
Mm-hmm.
He want.
Ooh, doesn't it look so good, guys? I could just bite into it right now. We have some. Don't forget, we have cold Sprites in the freezer. Parsley,
Oregano, basil.
look how good it looks, guys.
Joshua is going to add some of this cheese. He's not going to eat this whole thing.
You probably should have put some meat on the other side.
Because he's going to be hungry. And he'll be over here like, I'm done.
Oh, this is so much fun. Holiday cheers, guys. I want you guys to try it or try some recipe that you saw on TikTok and tag me, girls, so I can watch it, because this is fun cooking with the children, even though Josh was just coming in commentating. But
and our pepperoni smell like
I just said boo. Yeah, that pepperoni will help you become a vegan. You'll be like, yeah, I'm cool on the pepperoni.
And one thing about him, we could put pepperoni because he'll peel it off anyway.
Right.
We don't really want it.
Yeah.
So we could add a little extra
Looking good.
to ours. Put that
Nothing
right
like
here.
building your own pizza, guys.
And then
Is that mine? But I don't want paper on mine.
yeah, yours is cheese.
We
I
have
got
a
yours
part
over
with
here.
no pepperoni for you, okay?
Okay, we didn't forget about you.
Little one. Look at mommy. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, these look so good. And remember, we pre-baked them, guys. Once I put the butter on them, you know, because I basted it and everything like that, you know. Yes, we're going to have some. We're not going to have no pasta fazool, but we're going to have some pizza, homemade pizza.
We made pizza already.
Yeah, we would need your sister to hurry up and put this back in the oven.
No.
Okay.
After this cook it already.
I guess I'll put
After
it in
you
there.
cook it already, mommy.
Joshua, get
Step
out the
back.
way so I can put this
Step
in
back.
the oven.
But you already cooked it.
All right.
No, she only pre-cooked it.
But
It's going in. It's going in. It's going in. All right, guys, we're getting excited. Our little pizza cutter, so we're gonna cut them up into different slices so that we can enjoy both types.
and me.
And Joshua.
And Joshua. Ooh.
We almost got.
Oh, look at this, y'all.
We almost got. Okay, so here it is. We broiled it a little bit so the herbs darkened up, but it is perfectly made for us. So delicious and cheesy. We got us some miniature Sprites and some Parmesan cheese. Joshua, you ready to eat? Pizza?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, we're gonna get some pizza.
And one for mommy.
One for
And
mommy.
one for you.
Yep, one for me too. Thank you.
You come by later. We go see you tomorrow.
Okay. I'll eat this. Let's see. You don't want pepperoni, right, Joshua? You just want... Joshua,
Yes?
you just want cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get you some cheese.
The pizza is funny. I mean, no. But let me get my orange juice.
Mommy gonna get you some orange juice. Ooh, the cheese is just
I mean, I'm at this.
coming apart. Ooh, it's hot, Joshua, so you have to wait. And
I roll it.
Yeah, it's hot. It's hot.
I don't want that rolling. I don't want.
Stop. Why would you put that on my plate?
I mean, I'm putting on a counter.
That is so messed up.
Nasty.
What are you doing? Oh, dang. My phone died.
Charge that for me.
Charge that for me.
Let me get me some.
We have a mukbang.
Uh-huh.
My head is. Oh, sorry. All right. Let's see. Which one? So I want to try. I like the end units. Let's try this one. Ooh. I love the end piece. We say grace. Ready? God's grace, God's good. Lord, we thank you for our food. Amen.
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 Now
let's eat.
No fancy man.
Now
Let's see.
It's our way.
So guys, you definitely can make your own pizza. We did a great job on this. Come here.
I gotta open up my soda.
That is good. TikTok made us do it.
Woo! This Sprite is so good.
Huh?
You like your pizza, Joshua? It's hot? Okay. You let it cool down, okay?
It's very snappy. We could have did a mukbang. Did you say that we enjoyed it? This is all left so far. It really came out good. Joshua is enjoying his cheese pizza with orange juice. Just weird. I'm full. I only had 2 slices and yeah, I'm done. That's the last of the one with everything on it. I say if you like onions and peppers, definitely put it. And we got the red onions. Those are not regular onions. It gives it a different taste. And I would definitely say get that Italian blend that comes in that little container that we showed. It definitely gave it amped it up and gave it that restaurant, little restaurant taste, you know? So, anyways, it's been a pleasure cooking with me and my children. Making our homemade pizza. Huh? No, we didn't have to buy pizza at the store. We made our own. Tell you to say, be better to yourself.
You should be better yourself.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Than you were today.
Today.
Say, it's never goodbye.
Never goodbye.
I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Jesus talking now. I know you heard.